Unpacking and assembling Rice Lake's RL-650 Neonatal Infant Scale is quick and easy. During this process, please be sure not to discard any packaging material. If the scale needs to be returned for any reason, it must be properly repacked in its original carton. Place the unopened box in an open area with ample room. Carefully remove the scale from its packaging material. Turn the unit over to reveal the battery chamber plate. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws from the battery chamber cover and set aside. Insert 6 AA batteries in the correct orientation into the battery chamber. Close the battery chamber and tighten the screws. Turn the unit right side up on a flat surface. The scale is equipped with 4 level adjusting feet. Rotate the adjustable feet located under the scale base to level the scale. Attach the weighing tray to the base assembly. The RL-650 series neonatal scale has an optional 120 volt or 230 volt adapter to use when power is available. The optional AC power adapter plugs into the back of the scale. Your scale is now ready to use. Please refer to the manual for operation instructions.